You are now looking at the new fastest accelerating car on the planet, the Rimac Nevera R. The Rimac has smashed 24 performance records, and some of them are mind-blowing. Power is up from 1,888 brake horsepower to 2,078 and 35 kilos lighter. This means 0 to 61.66 seconds, 0 to 307.89, and 0 to 200 miles an hour, 9.25 seconds, and 0 to 400 kilometers an hour, 17.35 seconds. But it's not just its ability to accelerate. Its ability to stop is quite astonishing. 0 to 100 kilometers back to 0 again, 3.32 seconds. And finally, the Nevera R topped out at 268.2 miles an hour, and the driver even managed to snap a screenshot on the recording device. I know it's an EV, but let me know what you think of the Nevera R and which ICE